Hey guys! For those who struggles to blow dry their own hair at home, hair dryer brushes take the guesswork out of the equation. These brilliant hair dryer brushes are effectively style and dry your hair at once, combining the styling power of a round brush and the drying power hair dryer in one tool. In this video, ShoppExp picks 5 best hair dryer brushes in 2022. We have also included these products' links in the description box for you to find them easily. Now let's get started. The 5th best product is Lopi Hair Dryer Brush. The 4th best product is a GT Hair Dryer Brush. The 3rd best product is Dry Bar Hair Dryer Brush. The second last best product is a Moteam Hair Dryer Brush. And the last best product is Hot Tools Hair Dryer Brush. So guys, these are the 5 best hair dryer brushes. You can buy any one for your use. If you like this video, then let us know in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos. We will be back with another video. See you guys later.